Why are the doors of hell closed and Satan chained in the month of Ramadan?
I have spoken on this subject during my sermons delivered during Ramadan, and it took me 1 hour at least to explain this issue. And not only once, many a time during many Ramadan, I have explained the issue with reference to other angles of the same question. So it will be impossible for me to deal with this question now and here, but I would again request the questioner to have access to our department here, audio department, and they will lead the questioner to such audios and videos which contain the answer to this question. But one thing I must tell you, the doors of hell are not closed for everyone, because the hellish practices go on during the month of Ramadan even in the Muslim world. So this concept of physically shutting the doors is absolutely wrong, and it does not emerge from the from the sayings of the Holy Prophet and the practice of the Holy Prophet of Islam.